Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make Easter Banana Blondies that are so cute, pastel, and festive, and they don't have any artificial colors. We're going to use Unreal Milk Chocolate Gems and Annie's Neapolitan Bunnies for the cutest Easter Blondies ever. Let me show you guys how to make them. So first we're going to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. So I'm going to use my stand mixer today, but if you guys want to use a hand mixer for this, you can totally do that too. So first we're going to add in 113 grams of softened butter. Next, we're going to add in 170 grams of light brown sugar. Then 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now we're going to mix on low until combined and there's no butter chunks. So now we're going to add in 2 large bananas, and you guys want to make sure your bananas are ripe. As bananas ripen and soften, their starches turn into sugars. This is what's going to make them sweet and taste like banana in desserts. Now we're just going to mix this on low until the bananas are combined. And it's okay if you still see a little chunks of bananas, that's totally okay. So next we're going to add in 255 grams of all-purpose flour. And then of course our baking soda and our salt. Now we're just going to mix this on low until combined and there's no dry bits of flour. So now it's time to add in our chocolate candies and our bunnies. And I'm using the Unreal Milk Chocolate Gems today. These are really similar to M&Ms, but they have no artificial colors. And then I'm using the Annie's Organic Neapolitan Bunnies. These little bunnies are Easter themed, and there's chocolate, vanilla, and strawberry. This Neapolitan blend is going to go so well with the banana blondies and the chocolate candies in every bite. Now we're just going to mix this on low until combined. So now we're going to line a 9 by 9 inch baking pan with parchment paper and transfer the batter and spread it out evenly. And now if you guys want to add more chocolate candies on top and some more bunnies, you can totally do that. I love doing this as it brings a little bit more color and you can see the bunnies really well. Now it's time to bake these at 350 degrees. The best thing about these blondies is they're naturally eggless. So if you like super soft and gooey blondies, you can feel free to underbake them. Once the blondies come out of the oven, let them cool completely. Then I like to cut them into 9 squares. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you want more Easter recipes without artificial colors, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.